Hello everyone, we are taking a glue gun and then applying it on ice cream stick. After that, placing empty bottle can with different colors and ensuring that it's set. After that, taking glue gun again and joining some bottle caps together like this shown in the video. Follow the steps carefully, it's very simple, and inserting a stick in middle and your spinner is ready. Next, we are taking a designer sheet for making this cute dress like craft and then just folding it according to the video. Watch the steps carefully and repeat it, and you see your cute pretty paper dress is ready. Next, we are taking a designer paper and then just folding it. After that, we have seen that you can use it for many purposes. Now join them together and your cute container is ready. Next, we are taking a green square sheet and then folding it together just like shown. After that, just make 4 of it and then after that join them together like shown in the video, and your cute flower with the stem is ready. Next, we are taking an empty plastic bottle and then just giving it some design like shown in the video and cutting it out like shown. Put the bottle cap and use it for plant purposes. Next, we are taking some square papers and then just folding it out. After that, write the number of dice on it and then join them together, and your cute paper crafty dice is ready to play. Thanks for watching.